Welcome back everyone to lecture on engineering mechanics. Myself Unnikrishnan. Today we will try to do this problem. Two forces are applied as shown to a hook support. Knowing that the magnitude of P is 35 Newton, determine by trigonometry A. the required angle alpha if the resultant R of the two forces applied to the support is to be horizontal, and B. the corresponding magnitude of R. Let us consider this problem here. I have to construct a triangle, a force triangle. So for that, let me say this is my 50 Newton force. And I need my resultant to be horizontal. Now, you have the force P, that is 35 newtons, acting at some angle alpha. So, this is your P, that is 35 newtons. If you see here, we have to note the angles. This angle is already given here as 25 degrees, and this angle will be alpha. So, the remaining angle would be 180 minus 25 plus alpha, which turns out to be 155 degrees. I have my angles. Now, all that I have to do is apply the sine law. To apply sine law, we know that it is the side divided by the sine of the opposite angle. So, here in this case, the equation will look like P divided by sine 25 is equal to, this is R resultant, 50 Newton divided by sine of alpha is equal to R divided by sine of 155 minus alpha. So, P we already know as 35 newtons. So, if I take the first two terms, I will get 35 divided by sine 25 is equal to 50 divided by sine alpha. So, from this we can get sine alpha is equal to 50 into sine 25 divided by 35. So, you get alpha is equal to sine inverse of this value, and that value is found to be 0.6037. This, if you compute, it turns out to be this value, and therefore we can say the angle alpha required to maintain the resultant R to be horizontal is sine inverse of 0.6037, and which turns out to be 37.13 degrees. To find the magnitude of R, we have to take either the first term and the third term of this equation, or the second term and the third term of this equation. For simplicity purpose, let me take the first term and the last term. So, which turns out to be 35 divided by sine 25 degrees is equal to r divided by sine 117.87 degrees. So, from this we can find out r is equal to 35 into sine 117.87 divided by sine 25. So, this value turns out to be 73.21 newtons. So, we have answered both the A part and B part. A part is here and the B part is here. Thank you. Thank you for your patient listening. I hope you are able to follow my lectures. Please leave your feedback in the form of comments in the below section. Until next lecture, it's me signing off.